But Jay not fear afraid. Jay not do nothing.
Who name Jay? I mean name Jay. Jayden my name. Where I shout my name for? Are you name Jay? No call my name, brother.
Guy thought my name. No call my name. Alright.
Bad man, I mean name. Well, me name Jayden. Yes,
My name figure it out.
Oh, your name figure it out.
Let me see up on screen recording. I said Jay is not the best. I know me yet, and me no name Jay.
I never said. I never you.
Well, I know. Me glad me have proof over here. So, well, I know, man. When I said I never me matter. Oh, I trouble me. Alright, then we left it alone then. I think you say your name, say that.
Yo, Jayden.
Yeah.
Been through this, dog. Lying I mean, nothing but dog. People can file lawsuit for anything and win. That means so them I get the for anything and win. That means so them I get the money. You see me? Go search up Cardi B and Tasha K case. Look.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing's set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon the beating. It can't see upon the screen. Yankee is thinking about filing a lawsuit on Moon 10 for putting up an AI image of him and attributing it to things that he's not involved in. At least in the second tape, people putting in the comment section if he has a case, because he definitely has a case. Because it wasn't him. I never seen any of the videos, but him say it wasn't him. I was the Moon 10 say enough him on him. So he definitely has a case, but he doesn't have one for defamation, and then definitely doesn't have a traumatization case, because after the first tape came out, he admitted to doing being on the tape and doing the things being done in the second tape. So it's not a surprise anymore, and it's not no more shock value. It's my people. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because I think this is just a money grab, but it's not going to work, isn't it? And we still, I said, justice for anybody, because if anybody needs the law in their hands, it's she, because she was violated. All of this boogery thing is against the law in Jamaica, you know, my people. And people are bringing up frivolous lawsuit, and right, no, figure it out. Him turn Batty defender and trying to get Jayden involved in this lawsuit too, because I want so much Jayden money too, you know. So let's take a listen to what I go on for that to go on and proceed with the next.
Go along Cardi B suit, Tasha K. I know Cardi B can get $1, my dog. And some money run. You see me? People can file bankruptcy. Them can call like 100 million years. Nah, no money for paying nobody, and it done there. So you see me? So them think they go, bro. Nah, they do for everything, my dog. Say file bankruptcy, my killer. File lawsuit, no money in there. File bankruptcy, no money in there, and it done. You see me? So nothing there for free, my dog. You see me? No, bro. You look up Cardi B and Tasha K.
I fax that still in that chat. Oh, bad man, me not run up and done, bro. You feel that, bro? Me not run up and done, dog.
I hate that, my dog. Can't be afraid of about liar.
Bad man. Me not, my youth, it's not dog. Me not afraid of no, alright. And if you understand, my youth, say that youth not afraid of no boy pan up in the dog, and them if you know that in the real. You see, no far away, me not. You would never see me get scared over no boy over here, so bro. Tell that, bro. You see, I keep me cool, dog. You see, because me don't want no problem with no boy.
True,
First thing first.
Whatever. Wrong and strong.
First thing first, me not have no money in no bank. You see.
Jayden, if you have money, them can't sue you for what you have. Them can't go in your bank account and check it out.
I know, bad man. I didn't even me show out no video in one group, me see it and everybody are laughing.
It don't really matter, bro. You see me? So them get lawyer, so it go done. When them get them lawyer, we go to court. Judge say, oh, pay $10 million. You're now $1.5 $10 million. And it done, my dog.
I was a fairy. Yeah.
You see me?
It was a fairy.
Done with that. I gotta say it, go, my brother. You see me? We also go through this now. Alright, look at it this way.
But Mountain, if you don't know,
look at it this way. I'm gonna show you this.
Mountain, make people them know, say I know a dog too.
No, I'm telling them saying that, man. But look at it this way, my dog. Liam Bailey a big bum buckler ball. I'm a post Liam Bailey. Liam Bailey lawyer them reach out to me and tell me say, yo, this is a defamation against them represent him against a client. That them say this is a defamation against a client. Blah blah blah. We asked the firm to remove the video, and that's it, bro. So who the fuck is Yankee and lawsuit and this and that? I don't give a fuck, my dog. And Liam Bailey have millions of dollars, multi-millionaire, and that's a lawsuit, my dog. So nobody find it lawsuit, you see me? People get sued every single day, bro. You can walk and bucket too and get sued feet, bro. That don't mean take get dollar, my dog. How much in time people crash them car insurance company take years to pay them money. that don't mean you're gonna get dollar. So you sue and you sit down and wait for money till God come in and get dollar. You see me? What they find if frightening you, bro?
Guys, listen me out. They might sue me.
Yeah, you need liar money.
Yeah, me need liar money. Is it? So, me don't know if you can help me with that. Tajay, big up.
Can't
Yeah,
sue
man.
broke people. Exactly. Tell them.
Yeah, man, chat. You see it.
Bro, I'm not telling them people I say, oh, mountain dunce, bro. Me, I run a website, you know. I think we know the law behind it. I know everything when me I do done said. People slow in the dog. But now say him can't sue. More or less tell everybody say them can sue. Of course, they can sue for anything in the world, bro. Anything at all. You see me? They can threaten me. I'm going to tell them, so I'm going to sue because I'm afraid for my life. I'm afraid for walk on the road. That I mean, say I get dollar, my dog. You see me? Now, wasting the money on fuck me. How much in people get sued and file bankruptcy? 50 Cent get so much in millions of time and file for bankruptcy. And them love file for bankruptcy and say them nah, no money. People get sued. When I learn the law, my dog. Yeah, my bro.
Alright.
But they are still my dog. So not fret yourself, man. You're good.
Alright.
Okay.
All doctors too. Chat over here, so look nice, don't? Da da dee, da da dee. Da da dee, da da dee, da da dee, da da dee. Da da dee, da da dee, da da dee.
Hi.
What, my darling?
What are we how you put out wrong video by Yankee?
Follow me.
How?
Oh, and I'm missing out, you know.
Mountain,
I'm missing out, you know.
No, Mountain
Alright.
see him.
Because I know what you feel like, so me over here that chat.
Mountain do it.
Mountain see Jayden game.
Mountain send me the video.
Tell me a Mountain and tell Blinga see your game.
Lime at them, you see. We just want them to know who fi sue. Your man give Yankee lawyer fi sue me.
You're not so important, bro. Me give that one
Tell him
liar.
to stop it.
Bad man, let me tell you something. Now come over here and spread no mix up for me like me see you. Me not see you for a man in no big man. I don't mention your name. I don't utter your name. That me see dog over there ball and me just go give dog a liar. Simple.
You see, alright, me a ball. Give me a liar now.
What you a ball for? When are you the troublemaker?
So, you see that diamond? You see that?
Troublemaker no ball, bro. When trouble reach, you know, you don't have to sit down in a trouble. I want to start.
No Jayden, come here. Between you and you. Are you a mountain gear?
No, my mountain finding that one group.
So he must set you up, my friend. In Brighty.
No. Batty boy mountain and I rate me, you know.
I have your
Achana, you two of them just over there in a box. So that's why I come down come over here, yeah?
Oh. But to me, Jayden, me chum Jayden say him send him, and me Mountain say Jayden send him. So me don't know who send him.
Like two of them send each other, man.
Yeah, that me didn't say.
No, I'm telling you. Me and the dog in one group.
Yeah.
I'll tell that group that we get it, bro.
Well, I know you contradict yourself. Either the dog get it out of a group and give you. Are you game or you?
But even if Jayden send Mountain.
No, I never active in a group.
Even if Jayden send Mountain, so we're not doing a Batman group.
Eh?
So we're not doing a Batman group because a Batman group.
I'm a Batman group.
So why are them activity that sending a group?
It's a sort of group where everything said like woman, everything.
I never hear that.
I never hear about that one day.
I know woman video.
Well, no,
woman video that send though, bro.
What?
I know woman thing.
But if Jayden even send Mountain, I know Jayden put it past side.
Okay. Okay. So I don't know why
yo, you know sir, woman and Batman alone there in a Telegram. We are doing a Telegram.
So you know that?
Bro, that up there for them type of people there, bro. From the somebody comment Telegram in a chat. I can't entertain a charge.
So you know that figure.
Bro, everything will loose in a Telegram there.
Yeah, tell me that. Because
everything will loose in a Telegram it come from.
Bro, I'm going to go back my office already. Where tell me say? So you ever been one page and go in a Telegram?
I not even know Telegram look.
So you know she is a Batman side.
I barely could
tell nothing, man.
Everything will expose a Telegram come out bro.
Bro, back my office already, bro. You see it. Me see woman and man I do things. You see me I say, I'm just back my office because I say me love how that look.
Alright, let's see how you
send me a video because you love how that look.
No. Me think you love how it look.
So, are Jayden's in a video too?
Oh, yeah, mean.
No, listen, I'm friend Diamond, I'm friend.
That's what Diamond when he send me. Diamond when him send me. When he send me, what me tell you if you do? I say watch that video and look if I'm mad
dog. Tell who if you do? Me? I don't know that video there.
I not tell lie, I not have time for your foolishness. So when Jayden send me a video, I never want to watch it. So I send Diamond and say, yo, tell me if I dog that for true or not. I'm a black young to see him.
What?
I say bad dog, anyway you feel like it a come from sue them blood clot.
No, me I tell you lie that I go come and Jayden and the road. Aye.
Just like how he can corrupt me and this me for nothing. He might make you look like say the name of Yankee a call. He might make you look like say the name of Yankee a call. A female name.
My own.
I mean live the man a watch me in a World Cup and I say Jay you're not the best. Bad man, you're not the pan ramp we don't know.
You look like Jayden. Jay's not the best after all.
You look like Jay's not the best after all. What that mean?
So Diamond.
What? The man so no bumbo clock.
If same name figure it out, figure it out in name then. You see it. I don't do nothing.
The fact say they on my life and I say look like Jay is not the best. You see if I never my life they on me hear my talking, it would have good.
So you're talking that?
Me not tell lie, me rub him out and say Jayden that style out your blood clot.
And when me even look for you and say, I say me not pay him no mind man, I saw him stay. For sure you say me not even that pre-corruption, but
so how you pre-corruption today?
Come on, corrupt to them man. A full time now, me corrupt.
So Jayden, no, on a serious note, you know. On a serious note, you know. Mountain a pussy wall, you know, if I really said it something.
Yeah, man.
If you read no, different from the gimmicks.
Like I said, people, problems in the comment section because he definitely doesn't have no case for defamation because he admit to doing things that's already being done on the second tape, and he cannot be traumatized or in his fear of his life because he's still here after the first tape dropped. As you can see him, he's out on social media flirting after the first tape drop, you know. You see, man, said this was from March 8th and we're in a March, you know, the 19th, the 18th, no, you know. But me just giving them a quick update while I go on for that to go on, you see me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest one. Bless.